this is our coated microscope. This is your required technical specification. First point is it should be upright bright field digital benchtop microscope which is integrated with latest generation tablet display size 11-inch. So this is upright bright field microscope, and along with we are providing this 11-inch latest generation tablet. So it will be attached here. Second point is upright microscope with infinity corrected optical system, built-in coherer illumination with ergonomically designed sedent of head, should have provision to change the direction of head. So these are infinity corrected optics. Every objective engraved with infinity sign, numerical aperture, its magnification, and whether it is oil immersion or not. And this is coherer illumination. Sedent of head. Third point is complete system should be supplied inclusive of illumination source, eyepiece, objective, condenser, filter, and other essential attachment. So this is complete microscope. This is the illumination. This is illumination control, eyepiece, objectives, condenser, filter holder is there, and we are providing blue and green filter with this microscope. And this is a complete microscope we coated. It should have detachable digital head with integrated internal magnification 10x. So this is detachable, and it have internal magnification of 10x also. You can detach it or you can fix it also. Eyepiece 10x, wide field 22 mm or more. So this is eyepiece 22 mm 10x, and the field of view is 22 mm. Illumination LED light is there. Should have equitable distribution in entire field. The equipment should have provision of light intensity modulator. Sure, there is no light spectrum. So this is LED light illuminator, and this is the controller, intensity control. And now seventh point is nose piece, quintuple revolving nose piece, smooth and jerk free revolving action. So this is the nose piece. A quintuple nose piece, 5 objectives are there. Very smooth to rotate also. Plan achromat 4x, 10x, 20, 40 and 100x. So there are 5 objectives: 4x, 10x, 40 and 100x. We are providing these 5 objective. Condenser, Abbey condenser with field length unit with diaphragm. So this is the condenser with Irish diaphragm. Stage, mechanical stage with XY movement control on right hand side should be supplied with specimen slide holder. This is the mechanical stage, and slider is on right side. You can move XY or Z axis. This is the slide holder. Focusing, coaxial coarse, fine focusing, torque adjustment or coarse knob. So this is fine focusing, this is coaxial knob, and there is a torque adjustment also to loose or control these knobs, to tight or loose there is a torque adjustment also.